We're all holding our breaths, waiting for Jerome Powell and the Fed at 2 p.m. Eastern time to drop the hammer on the next rate hike. We're going to explore what happened to XRP and XLM the previous time the Fed was out there jacking it up to 75 points. And I've got a story for you with 3 stats regarding the crypto winter. I don't think it's over, everyone. So let's leave this screen.
I am the master and commander and supreme leader of the XRP army.
With imagination, I can be anything I want. A pirate. Arr. A football player. Hop.
A starfish.
Now, what does that mean?
I don't give a shit.
That means that just with a wave of my hand, I can send the XRP army out to do damage all across this great nation.
Pakistan! Pakistan! That's a fucking camel!
And go into this screen. Altcoins lead crypto market decline ahead of the FOMC interest rate decision. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve's interest rate hike decision later today. We will be live, so make sure you join us. The consensus is that a hike of 75 basis points is incoming. However, speculators are watching with bated breath for any signs of a potential pivot before the end of the year. They're thinking, hey, wait a minute. If things get back in line, if we start seeing CPI data start coming down, which comes out later this month, everyone, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're thinking, hey, will the Fed then drop maybe a 50 or a 25 pointer in December rather than coming back with yet another 75 pointer? I don't know. A look at the heat map shows us this. Yeah, Doge retreating, AVAX retreating, NEAR, XRP, BNB. All the alts are definitely retreating, as well as the big boys. Ethereum could not hold 1600, 1558. Bitcoin could not hold 20,005 leading into the Fed decision, 20,463. All right, here we go, everyone. World's biggest options exchange, Deribit, loses 28 million in a hot wallet attack. Pauses withdrawals. More hack schemes and scams happening on Web3. I'm going to keep reporting on them just in case any of you out there are affected. If you've been affected by any of the scams or schemes that I've reported on in this video, let me and the other viewers know in the comments below which ones they were. All right, what else do I have for you? In the last 12 hours of news, 3 large cryptocurrency companies have laid off their staff. Here's the crypto winner. It's not done yet, everyone. Galaxy Digital plans to lay off 20%. BitMEX plans to lay off 30%, and DCG has laid off 10% of its staff. Not a real good day for exchanges and for companies out there, as we've got hacks and crypto winners hitting us. Now, let's move on to the Fed, and we're going to talk XRP, XLM price-wise. There's some FUD out there. And now we're going to slide into this article, and we're going to talk price of XLM and XRP, and I'm going to help you out with the FUD that's out there. Because remember, the FUD is out there to keep you out of crypto so that other people can buy your stuff on the cheap. Tense calm in the crypto market. All eyes are on the Fed. I've got a quote here that I want to read to you, and I'm going to show you how bullshitty this is. The article says, this is important because the cryptocurrency market has reacted negatively every time the central bank has decided to raise interest rates. That's false. They're trying to scare you, thinking that there might be a crash today. Well, I don't know. The last time the Fed raised rates, which was September 20th to 21st, look at the action here. Oh, this is XRP up on the screen. Look at the candlestick that happened on that date. There was over a 20% movement that happened on the announcement of the Fed launching a 75 basis point hit on the 20th to 21st. Now hold on, let's see if that holds true to XLM, because remember, during these announcements, what happened the last time? When the Fed announced their rate, XLM, XRP took off while Bitcoin and Ethereum went way down. There was a separation that started. Oh, interesting. Look at this. I've got the date of XLM. Looks like there was yet another pump here that happened when the Fed announced their 75 basis point hit. So you got to be real careful with the articles out there, because some of them are just FUD trying to get you to believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum are the only things that are going to make it. And I know I keep pushing down your throats the whole live stream thing, but seriously, there's 2 big components that come with Jerome Powell and the Fed making this decision today, and we're going to cover them both on the live stream. The first is, what is the actual basis point hit, right? Are they dropping the 50 or the 75? The second is his remarks that happen at 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, because that's when Jerome Powell starts going into, hey, where he says these are the factors that led into our decision to raise the basis point hit. So that's going to be interesting. What data are they using? And the second thing we look for in that is, hey, what is the guidance going forward? And that's where you can see the markets really react from Jerome Powell's statement. So yes, 75, 50 basis point hit, whatever he's going to drop on us, and then his forward-looking comments. Those two things right there are going to shape the market quite heavily until CPI data comes out and until the Fed drops their next rate hike, which will be in December. Merry Christmas, everyone in the U.S. Jerome Powell and the Fed are going to give you a good... Sorry, everyone. The alts popped. The utility alts popped the last time the Fed raised the rates by 75 basis points. It's going to happen again today at 2 p.m. Will XRP, will XLM pop on it? Now, if we look at the chart of XRP, look at this. This is some sideways consolidation action. You can see that ever since the action of October 8th, traders out there sat on the sidelines and they're like, yeah, let's just kind of wait this one out. Let's see what happens with the Feds. Now, when we go to XLM, you can kind of see the same thing, except you could see some near-term erosion from that point, okay? XLM has had a much tougher time compared to XRP. And let's do this. Let's clear this drawing right here. Let's move this on over. Let's give it a line and let's compare XLM and XRP and see what they look like. Now, I'll be honest here. I'm a huge fan of XLM and XRP, but as of late, XRP has definitely stolen the attention of investors out there. Not just the articles, because there's tons of them whenever I look on news aggregator sites, but it's the volume of trading, it's the reaction to news out there, and it's also the public reaction to stuff out there, right? The volume of movement on Twitter, the volume of messages on all those different chat and investing boards. It's all going towards the sides of XRP. XRP right now is definitely stealing the sexy show, and it's leading to a much sexier price. What I'm very interested to see is how XLM and XRP compare to each other since the last rate hike. Okay, so now the 20th is when the last hike happened. That's right here, the 21st. So that's right here. You can see that both XRP and XLM took off at that time. And here, I'll move this up so you can see it better. But look at this, everyone. XRP definitely the big winner, up 21% since that time, where XLM is down. Now, if we go just from the rate hike action, all right, that's all we're looking at right now. You can see since the last time the Fed jacked rates up 75 basis points, XRP seriously took off way higher than everything else out there and has since maintained a positive 27% since the Fed dropped it. Now, look at XLM, right? XLM had that pump, then they had a little mini pump, and then boom, they're back down to where the Feds were. So now we have two totally different stories here regarding utility tokens that are meant to move money. So here we go. We've got the data, we've got the past, we've got stuff looking forward. What's going to happen today when the Fed drops the 75 basis point hit? That's the other thing too. Let me know in the comments below. Are they dropping a 50 or a 75? And do XRP and XLM rally again like they did last time while Bitcoin and Ethereum pulls back down? Again, let me know in the comments below because you know I love reading your comments. Thank you very much for watching. We're going to be broadcasting this live later today. Look for that live stream picture like this. Thank you again for watching. Check out this cool crypto Web3 video right here. I'll catch you cool cats later.